Giggly squiggly. Sorry. Yeah, it's a bitch here. Another climb. And after this, you got one last one. You look a little tired. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. When you got the beard, you don't look as tired. You ready? Let me get my seat adjusted right. All right. Good? Now just lean. Lean with the bike. Lean with the bike.
There you go.
There you go.
Woo!
Just wait. Oh, or you can keep going. Now go. The blue. Feel the rain. Yeah, I think this one ends pretty quick here. Yeah. Yeah, you did perfect.
Very peaky.
Oh, look at it. There you go, a little Indo. Huh?
A little bit of rain now.
That's fine. We just have to be careful. It rains a lot. The hard trails get slippery.
I was gonna go into like a bomb
Eric's done it, no? Oh, you didn't. You've done it.
The next time I came here, I had a flat.
Don't do that. Don't do that, Carlos. Don't. Get me at that. You're good. Nice line. Rains are coming. It's bumpy here, so be careful. Nice speed, bro. Loving it. Nice speed. That was super smooth. Oh, I love that little jump. It's so smooth. Woo! Yeah. That's it. Turtle slide. This isn't a green. Ah. Oh, nice! Got some good air. Oh, nice. You too. That was awesome, dude. There you go. There you go. Bro, you're bunny hopping on shit pretty fucking high off the ground, dude. You just need a little more speed. Yeah. I think it's better from here. Like where Gene's going, I think you get more air that way. There you go. Hey, you're getting some high air in the front. You gotta pull the back up a little bit more, bro. So like when you pull the front, lift the back at the same time. And you're gonna get scary high. Yeah, there you go. Adriel's got the technique already. But now you gotta do it on flats. And see if it's the same. Yeah. Click, 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 click.
I'm going green. You guys go ahead.
You sure? Oh, all right.
Which one is it? I don't remember.
This one has a jump on it, I think. I know, I just said that. I was just like, wow, this is some nice cool weather. Ah. Ay, coño. Coño, we're doing this shit again. No. Lots of roots. This is like a little version of Alita. Ah, mierda. It's wet. Hey, training.
I was thinking we'd go back towards the front and there's cover over there.
Oh, I love this.
Whoa, this is a wet ride.
Yeah.
Why? Oh, bitch.
Hey, mierda. No, I see what you're doing. I see what you're doing. Ah.